Hello guys, Gold Bullion Treasure's back. We just got finished scrubbing out that Samsung computer. It's all in the trash. What's left can't be scrubbed out. And now, it was so much fun, I decided to microscrap this vacuum cleaner. Somebody had already cut the cord off. They did leave a pigtail there for me. Let me try to zoom in on that. Which way to zoom? That way? Alright. Alright, so they did try to leave a pigtail here. Ooh, where's my hand? There it is. Right there. So that's some copper wire for me. It is a Clean Living On Guard. Okay. Canister is gone. There we go. I guess Clean Living is a brand. Don't know, it's not clearing up on us for us. There we go. Okay, so it's really not focusing too well. I'm going to try to set the camera up higher and try to figure out what you guys can see before I start to tear this thing apart. I don't want you guys to be able to watch me microscope this out because I want the motor out of there. And the reason I want the motor out of that, you can't see, is because it's got copper in it. If not copper, some of the motors have aluminum wire that's coated in a thin layer of copper. But either way, it's worth money. So, boom. Alright, let me set you guys down. I'll be right back with you, and I'm going to pause you till I can get this set up to the right angle for you guys. Okay guys, I may have flipped the camera over because it fell, and I don't remember which way I had you. So, oh, actually I do. Hold on. Flip it back over. Try to keep it all one direction. Here. Oh, now the cord's in the way. Hold on. I had to plug the cord in because the battery is dying, of course. Okay, resetting at the camera. Now you kind of got a little bit behind the scenes. Okay, is that good enough? A little bit of room for you to see what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. Nope, it's gonna fall off. Hold on. There, oop. Alrighty then, we'll have to work with that. Okay. Let's set our gloves aside for this. Alright. Oh, this is a monster machine. Okay. We got a little filter that's dusty. People, you need to clean this out so that your vacuum works as the most suction power it can get. Like cleaning this all out. Alright, it might have just been clogged, and that might have been why they threw it away. Cannot test it because somebody cut the cord off. And of course I didn't want the canister, so I got rid of that. So, set that there. Okay. Trying to see what you guys can see. Okay. I'm going to try to lay this part down so I can work on it, and I'm going to have to flip it over. But first, take off my safety glasses so I can see better. I'm looking for screws inside the cavity here. I usually see some in previous ones, but I do not see them in this one. So, you just have to work with the screws at the bottom. I'm going to get my drinking glass out of the way so it don't get all dirty. Glass. I'm trying to drink more water now. I do drink coffee still. This looks like it comes off, but it's not moving, so maybe it's like a little door. Maybe not. Don't know. Seems like it should come off, but it is not coming off at all. Okay then. Let's see the release button. Is that one? Trying to find the release button now. Flip it over. Okay, there's the button. Ah, it is. Ooh. Alright, so we got that down. got quite a bit of screws here. And it's a star screw. Man, I just got you guys set up, but I'm going to bring you over here so you can see the star screw. Boom. Right there. Whoops, I'm trying to learn how to do this. There we go. Star screw. So now I got to get a star driver to get that out. And it is very dirty over here on the rollerblade things. Dust all in that. Hold on. Yeah, right there. That's what I wanted to zoom in on. Hold on. Ew. Y'all gotta clean your rollerblades. You can't just vacuum and not clean the vacuum. Alright, let's get this back over here so that we can take this apart and you guys can watch me if you want to. Whoops. Left it on zoom. Gotta get it back out of zoom. There we go. Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna get out the screws I can with a regular screwdriver. And again, I'll try to fast forward this because maybe y'all don't want to watch me take this apart. I don't know. The other one, the monitor took me like 46 minutes. Again, I'm not using electric hand tools because the noise is hard on the ears when people are listening. That probably would be faster. And since I'm not really good at editing videos yet, but I am taking some courses to try to learn how to do it. I took a course the other day, and of course I didn't finish going through everything, and they took that away, but they said I had to get a 70% score in order to pass. And so without reviewing the rest of it, they said I could still take the test, and I got 100 somehow without even finishing watching the thing. Alright, so we got a star screw here and here. So I guess I need to get those bits out. Oh, okay, so that's holding this hose and come on, don't want to come out. Alright, well, let's get those star tools out and we'll see what we can get out. Move on my pile of metal. Off the gloves. Get to the star tool. Which one? Alright, we're going to go with this T25 bit. T25. And it's perfect. Alright, I'm doing good so far. Get the driver out, maybe. An old driver. This driver thing is so old that when I was trying to get a screw out the other day, the whole thing kind of fell apart right here and I lost that little ball. But I found it. Alright, got one out. Working on the next one. Maybe. Come on, where you at? Trying to get that in that hole. It's hard to see it because it's down inside of a hole. Maybe that one's smaller. It don't look like it. Take that out again and do it by hand. Come on. Maybe it is smaller. It's not going in there. Alright, that one has to be smaller because it's definitely not going in there. So we'll put the T25 back in. We'll get out the T20 star bit. See if that works. Yes, T20. Don't know why they decided to change star bits on here, or star screw heads, I mean. Getting that one was a T20 star bit hole. Alright, I don't see any more right now, so I'm going to put these tools away. Alright, we're going to take this shroud off that was holding this hose in. Ooh, it's got grody stuff coming out. Ugh. I didn't notice this before, but looking at this hose, it's pretty damaged, but it's still together, you know. So it definitely had something happen to it. Alright, I just had a little bit of gross stuff come out of there. I'm going to throw that piece away. So far so good, it all fit in the hole. Huh. That's just a little O-ring. It's dirty, that's okay. Alright, so I just found out we got some more star bits here. It was underneath that, so I had to get those back out again. They're not my tools, so that's why I'm trying to put them away. I don't want to lose them. Okay. T25 again. Whoops. Okay, T25 is too big, so we have to go back to T20. Get the T20. And it's a perfect fit. Okay. So the screws do add up in weight, and that's why I keep them. I haven't been hoarding them or anything. I turn them in each time I take my tin scrap in. It's part of the weight that I get for being paid. Eventually, I'm going to save it up some money. I'm going to get me a money jar to save up the money I get from scrap after I finish paying my mom off for my income tax thing, for getting my money out for my car and paying them off. And I'm going to save up money to get me a new pair of glasses because mine broke on the other side now, so I refixed both sides. I used the super glue and the baking soda on both sides now, and it's pretty strong. So far it's holding. Just did that night before last night. Saturday night, I believe. It might have been Friday night. I think it was Saturday night though. Yeah. So, because I had to see. So, alright, I'm not seeing any more screw holes here. Let's see here. Must be on the bottom. I don't see any screw holes on the bottom either. There's a spring here. Let's see here. I'm trying to get that spring off. There we go. Alright, so right now I'm trying to get the wheel off and you can't see a thing I'm doing. I don't know if I can turn this around for you to see. I'll try to do that and see what we can see without knocking my new phone off. Alright, put my new phone up there. Okay. Okay, here we go. Can you see? Let me see if you can see. Boom, boom, boom. Yep, okay. This is the wheel part. if I can get it off, I'll just get that piece of metal off of there, like so. There, we'll just slide those right off of there. Got us a nice piece of round metal tin. It's got some weight to it. That with the rest of the scrap. Oops, okay, my little baggie's getting really full. So we got leaves, we got dust, and leaves, really gross. There's the leaf. So, it did get rained on, but I think it's pretty much dry now. I am not strong like Bob is on Gill Skills. So, let's see here. We got us some locking things there. Let's see if we can't get that off. Oh, probably should put my safety glasses on because you don't know where that's going to fly. Okay, got my safety glasses on. Well, it seemed like it was coming off. Oh my goodness. Okay, maybe it's not coming off. Okay, it's not coming off with the screwdriver. So we'll see if we can't get some layers in there. Get that out. Oop, there we go. Got that off. I have used these to fix things at work. They come in pretty handy. Throw that in there. Got that wheel off, and now we got that heavy piece of metal. Okay, now we'll get this side off maybe. I think I do have to pry it off a little bit with the standard screwdriver. Okay, like so, and then grab it with our pliers. Okay, got it. Oops, stuck. Well, that one I bent up. Oh, where'd it go? Alright, there it is. It's a bit bent up, but there it is. Okay. Alright, now we're trying to figure out what's next. What is next? This one's kind of strange because usually I see a bunch of screws down here on the bottom and I'm not seeing anything. So I'm wondering if there's some screws on the top that I missed or what. Trying to figure out what that's attached to. Okay, there we go. We got that off finally. Alright. Okay, I think my heater has a little short in it that I need to fix. But it's right here beside me, so I'm keeping an eye on it. Get the spring out. Alright, I still don't see any screw holes here. So, I'm gonna try and get this off. A little bumper guard. Might be some screw holes underneath there. Maybe, maybe not. That one's like attached to that one, so that's pretty good, I guess. So. There we go. Okay, it's just on there real good, I guess. This would pop out, but I guess I think there's some screws hidden somewhere. So, like I said, when it doesn't come out easy, that means there's some screws somewhere. Can't tell. That just feels like a piece of plastic. Okay then, I guess it's time to flip it back over. Alright. I still think this HEPA filter thingy should be coming off. Was fine. Now, part of that. Ooh, it's got a big old piece of metal in there. I wonder if I can get that free. Let's try. Ooh, no, not easily. Okay. Alright, so I don't know how that's in there, but I will work on getting that out later. Set that aside for now. Try to pop this off. Or not. Okay. Screwdriver. Oh, wow, this is just giving me a hard time. I never had one like this, y'all. This here. It's gotta be on somehow. Truly, what does it do? Snap all together? Let's see here. Okay. Alright, so I just got the wand off. Gotta be careful of that. It looks like bird poo. That's disgusting. Bird poo. Alright. Alright, this has got some screws in that, so we'll take those out. Alright. It's kind of cool. It's a round handle thing. I've never seen that on a vacuum before. There's something in the, oh, it don't look like it. Don't look like it to me. Get the old ice pick out. Oh, nope, that didn't work either. Alright, we'll put the ice pick back. Okay. It's so cold out here. My nose is starting to run. I don't know that I can get that off, y'all. This has screws underneath here, but it's not wanting to flip or anything for me to get to that. Ah, it's got a little catchy thing right there. Alright, let's see if we can't use our flathead screwdriver to release that. I'm gonna have to sanitize my hands after this, y'all. Alright. Come on. Okay then. It's not sliding, man. Oh, there we go. Got it. And there we go. Boom. Bye bye bird poo. Let me get the hand sanitizer in my car. Hand sanitizer. Don't think I touched the bird poo, but you just don't know. Alright, so that's done. Alright, now we can remove the screws. Oh, okay, I thought they were screws. They're not screws, they are rivets. So, I might have to use my Dremel tool instead, but I'm going to try to use this. How's it going, Mom? It's going good. That's good. I'm making a video. I already tore the Samsung monitor apart. Now I'm tearing this vacuum apart. Okay, so this one's very hard. Okay, there we go. Just pry that off of there with a screwdriver. Do the same to the other side. There you go. Voila. Who needs to take the rivets off? You can pry it off. Boom. Alright, let's see here. I might not be able to get this part off. Don't know the answer to that. And the handle should come off because I took the screw out, but it is not budging. It is missing here. Alright, I might have to use the vice grip, which is out of camera view, but I could turn the camera around, I guess. Let's see here. Let's try that. Let's see here. Yeah, there you go. Right there. Okay, y'all. Hey there. I'm gonna put this in here, try to get it out. Ugh. Well, I think the plastic is breaking. Otherwise, don't seem to be budging. Let's see here. Screw was up there. So I should be taking that part off there. There might be more screws in there that I need to take out if I can just get part of this handle off. There we go. Okay. Alright, so we got that part off. And that is that part there. Don't see any metal in there, so we'll throw that part away. Okay, I'll take a look at this piece here. Try to decipher if there's anything else I can use to take that apart. Okay, so it looks like it's holding on right there. I'll put it in the vise. Try to hold it while I work on it. I'm going to use my standard screwdriver to get that off of there. Maybe. There we go. Boom. That didn't take much at all. Now we just got to get the other side off. That piece there off. Might be a little bit more difficult. Alright, so, okay. Well, I don't know if I should smash it down on there a little more to pry it off. Look. Let's see here. Is the screw hole. I think I need to turn it around, y'all. Turn it over. Okay, we'll try it this way. Well, part of it off went way over yonder by the garage door. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna have to use a hammer, so watch your ears. Completely off yet, y'all, but it's getting there. Alright, I pretty much cracked it all the way down, I believe. Ooh, Be careful, sharp plastic. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put my gloves on. So that hopefully I won't cut my hands. So. Don the gloves. Oh, sorry, I'm sniffling a lot. Y'all, it's really cold out here in the garage. Okay. Alright, got it off. And you got your metal lift. Okay. Here. Alright. So now, well, maybe we'll go ahead and try to take that off since we're right here, right? Not certain how that's gonna work. Okay. Try to see if I can't just close that metal bar up in there and then pry it out. Ooh. Almost there. Oh, I love tools. Alright, here we go. Alright, on there, redonning the gloves. And took off. Alright, got that off of there. Still got a little bit left on here. It is not budging. Let's see here. Hold on. Try to use these other adjustable pliers if I can get them off. Oh my goodness. Too much stuff in the way, y'all. Not mine. Ugh. Adjustable pliers. See if we can't use that to get that off of there. Just use that and the hammer. It is not working. Not budging. Okay. Yeah, that's not budging, y'all. Alright, I'll set that down there. It's time for the Dremel tool. Get an extension cord because it doesn't reach over this far. I think if I ever get my own house and garage, I'm going to make sure there's plenty of outlets around. Alright. Got it plugged in. Got that. This is my cutting wheel. Getting ready to go for it. Okay, cover your ears. Alright, we'll turn that off, let it stop first before we set it down. See if we can't pry that off with the screwdriver now. Okay. Okay, it's like it wants to and it doesn't want to. Okay. Why are you giving me so much trouble? Why? There we go. Got it. Alright then. piece of metal may or may not be hot. No, it's not hot. Okay. Because I try not to cut into the metal, so we just got that whatever pin thing that was to hold part of it on. Ooh, I didn't realize I left part of my other motor out last night. I do need to get into that. It's like cast aluminum, but it's got some metal inside there. Okay, I have to work on that too. Okay then, oh, almost threw that in my trash pile, don't want that. Alright, so we'll just set these here. We're going to turn the camera back around so that you guys can watch this side here. Get the cord out of the way. Ay, sorry, y'all. Amateur here still. Huh? Whoop. Ah, it's cut on the drill. Okay, there we go. Can you see? Yeah, kind of. Alright, so, ooh. There. Alright. So I'm going to get the Dremel tool out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it so it doesn't accidentally get turned on, because that switch can easily get caught on stuff. I'll just set this over here for now. And we're going to try to figure out where are all the screws at. There might be some down in this hole here. Can you see that? Right in here and right in here. So we're going to get our screwdriver right in front of us here and hope that they are screws. Alright, I cannot see, man. Actually, it might be one of them star tools. Let's get a closer look at it. Indeed it is a star tool. You see that? The enemy on, whoops, I lost that one. Alright, right there. Oh, you can't see it. Anyhow, I think there's one right down in there too. You can barely see it right there. Alright, well, alright, darn. Let's see here. Well, let's see what number that one is. Gosh, it's hard to see it with the naked eye, so I had to use the camera here. Figure out where's that one, my finger at. Oh my goodness, I'm way off base. Okay, here we go, right there. That is looking like a number 20. The problem is I don't think that screwdriver will go down in there. We got the number 20 on here. Yeah, no, it won't go down in there. What I'm gonna do? I don't know. I don't know. No, it's not laying down any further. Ah, goodness. Alright, I'm gonna try to go ahead and break off the rest of, hold on, let me get you, wrong way, this way. I'm gonna try to get the rest of this guard off. Okay, oh, there's a screw here, I guess, huh? Right there and right there. Okay, we'll work on those, okay? Okay, like I said, they're hidden through all the dust and stuff. Okay. These are actually Phillips head screws, so that's a plus. Nasty. Huh. See how nasty that was and rusty? I couldn't tell there was a screw there. Get the other side off. Maybe once this comes off, maybe I can get the cover off to get down to these other star screws. Star head screws. And there's the second nasty screw. Alright, let's see here. I'm hoping this comes off now. Ooh, maybe not. Yo, man. Just pinched my finger. It decided to lay down even further. And voila, we can get to the screws now. Or can we? Nah. Oh, kind of. Alright, we'll do the best we can. Doesn't fit in the hole too well, but at an angle it's working. Alright, got that one. I'm working on this other one right here. Maybe. Barely can reach it. Okay. Come on. Alright. And get the second one out. Alright. Alright, I'm going to throw this dust pile away because there's more coming where that came from. Yeah. Alright, oh, there's more screws. One more screw at least here, okay. Oh no, I cannot reach it. Let's see here. I have an extender thing, but I still don't think it's gonna reach. It might. Let's see here. Put it on this extender thing. Oops, maybe. Ah, gosh. Okay, there we go. Stick that on to the tool. Like so. Let's see. I know it still won't reach, y'all. Hated. Alright, I need my flathead screwdriver. Try to pry this apart. Keep my fingers out of there this time. Okay, here we go. Ew, look at all that nastiness. Whoops. Ah, disgusting. You gotta clean your vacuums, people, or they will quit working. Let's get a closer view of this nastiness. All down in here. Look at that nastiness. Not so bad on this side, but when you get to this side, oh my god. Yee. All up in the hole there. Can get clogged. Look at that mess. That probably clogged it up right there, and that's why they got rid of this. Got leaves up in here. So nasty. Pet fur. See? Okay, we'll turn you around again. Looking at this closer. Make sure you got to see all that nastiness right there. Alright, we'll throw that in there with it. And the rest of that is trash. And my bag, is full. The black thing sticking out. That's my bag. I gotta get some more bags. Alright, so hold on. Put you guys back over here. I think I'm still recording because I got rid of a lot. We're at 43.33. Or whatever you call that. Got the big bag out. There's a little bit down here. Try to clean as you go so you don't have a lot of mess that comes up later on. Alright, so we got that going on. Okay, there we go. Oh, the belt may or may not be good. Let's try to pop this bar out, okay. Oh, does it got a screw? It does. Alright, so now there's two screws here holding the belt in and stuff. Use this here extender one thing on the driver. Oh, there's an extra screw over here too, so there's 3 more screws to undo that I'm aware of. One. Oop, I'm gonna put all this stuff back up there and fell down. Okay. So yeah, so it does take some time to do this. Again, you can use an electric drill, corded or uncorded, your decision there. I have both. Or I should say I have access to both. I have a corded drill myself, but I do sometimes use this cordless drill. Alright, so I'm going to take that off. Ah, that's actually metal there. Usually they're plastic, but it's metal. There you go. Pop that in there. Oh my goodness. Alright, maybe we can get this thing off, maybe not. Huh. Okay. Okay, that don't want to come off. Alright, so we're gonna... Ooh! Good thing I have my safety glasses on that just flew into my face. Alright. Okay. Alright, so the belt looks okay. I don't think I will sell it though. I mean, it's got a little knot there where it was on there for so long sitting in one position. But I may be able to use that on my tool for that I don't have made yet for stripping wire. Don't know. It is a good belt though. I don't see any cracks in it at all. Alright, we'll hold on to that. Get the rest of this nasty beater bar out. Ew, plastic bag pieces. Bloop. Yeah, overall this wasn't too bad. A little string on there. It could be string or hair that'll clog these things up and keep them from spinning. This is actually wood, and I think most of them nowadays are made out of metal. Now there is a metal in here that is hard to get out. Or at least it has been in the past for me. So I just got both of these sides open. And yeah, that's not coming out. Now I just saw this here. I don't know if that's part of that. Keeping that in there or what. Let's check it out. No, it's not pushing in. So I'm going to try this, I think. Got my safety goggles on. See if I can pry that out. I'm prying out dirt. It is not coming out, but the wood or plastic is breaking. Alright, it's not coming out. Looks like on there good, huh? Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Alright. Oh. Ow, so we can see right there what it is. Might, using this again, try to pry it out. Voila, got one out. Alright, first one I've gotten out. Stick that in that pile there. So that's what it looks like inside there. Okay, we'll do the same to this side, see if we get lucky and get this side out too. Oh yeah, that one's coming out easier. Let's see here. Oh, I spoke too soon. Alright, we'll put this on here. I don't have it out as far as the other one was. Hi. Okay, it's not working yet. Okay, let's try this some more. See if I can't. There we go. Pry it out a little more to get this on there. Yes. Voila! 2 of those. Alrighty then. So that is done. So earlier in the video, that was my mom